Dictionaries in Python hold key-value pairs. This is a dictionary, and this is a dictionary comprehension that stores squares and their square roots for numbers 0 to 7. This is an empty dictionary animals. Key 1 has value dog, key 2 has value cat, key 3 has value ferret. This is the dictionary now. There's no key 4, so this raises a key error. Sorted sorts a dictionary by its keys. Keys gives us a list of keys in it. Get gets the value for a key, and here it would return 0 if 2 wasn't a key in the dictionary. The costliest 3. You are given a dictionary holding items from a store and their prices. Write a function that returns the items with the highest price, the second highest, and the third highest. If two items cost the same, include both. This function takes a list of items. It uses a list comprehension holding item names and prices from the list. The last 3 values in this, so we get the 3 highest values. For each value in this list comprehension, it prints it. Here there are 4 results because 2 items have the price 39 and 3 values here. Roll numbers. Write a function that takes a list of the names of students and assigns roll numbers to first names in a lexicographic order, then prints them out. This function takes in a list of names, sorts them, and for each name it takes its index added to 1 and the first name and builds a dictionary through comprehension. It sorts this dictionary, and for each roll number in this, it prints the roll number and the name. The roll numbers have been assigned lexicographically.